How to lose weight fast, 5 proven tips. Hey everyone, welcome back to the channel. Today, we're diving into one of the most requested topics: how to lose weight fast. Whether you're trying to slim down for an event or just want to kickstart your fitness journey, this video will give you 5 proven tips to help you see results quickly. But remember, quick weight loss doesn't mean unhealthy methods. We're focusing on safe and sustainable strategies. Let's jump right in. Ditch the processed foods. Things like chips, cookies, sodas, and fast food are packed with empty calories and bad fats. Tip 1. Cut out processed foods. These foods make it hard for your body to burn fat. Focus on whole foods like veggies, lean proteins, and healthy fats. By cutting processed foods, you can reduce your calorie intake without feeling like you're starving yourself. To boost your protein intake. Boost your protein intake. Protein keeps you feeling fuller for longer, helps build muscle, and can increase your metabolism. Try adding more lean sources of protein like chicken, fish, tofu, or beans to your meals. Studies show that higher protein diets can help you lose weight faster while maintaining muscle mass. 3. Increase your water intake. Drink more water. Sometimes, when we feel hungry, we're actually just thirsty. Drinking plenty of water throughout the day can help control cravings, boost your metabolism, and aid digestion. A good rule of thumb is to aim for 8 to 10 glasses a day, and if you're exercising, increase that amount to stay hydrated. 4. High-intensity interval training. HIIT. Incorporate HIIT into your workouts. HIIT, or high-intensity interval training, is one of the most effective ways to burn fat fast. These short, intense bursts of exercise followed by quick rest periods torch calories and keep your body burning fat even after you've finished your workout. A simple HIIT routine could be as easy as alternating 30 seconds of sprinting with 30 seconds of walking for 10 to 15 minutes. 5. Get enough sleep. Don't underestimate the power of sleep. When you're sleep deprived, your body produces more of the hormone cortisol, which increases your appetite and makes it harder to lose weight. Aim for 7 to 9 hours of quality sleep each night. Sleep also helps your muscles recover after workouts and keeps your metabolism running smoothly. So there you have it, 5 proven tips to help you lose weight fast, safely, and effectively. Remember, weight loss is a journey, and consistency is key. Quick fixes can help jumpstart your progress, but the goal is long-term health. If you found this video helpful, hit that like button, subscribe for more fitness tips. Let's crush those goals together. Don't miss out on more awesome content.